guys, and welcome back. To start off, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu facial spray and then the Too Faced Hangover primer to prime the skin. After that, I went in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer to prime the eyelids, and I just set that down with a bit of powder. For the eyeshadow, I first went in with the Naked Heat palette and just blended this colour through her crease. And then after that, I went in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette and added this colour and just put that in the exact same place just to darken it up a bit more. To add some warmth, I added these two shades here and just put that in the exact same place. And then to deepen up the outer corner, I added this dark brown shade and just packed that on. For the shimmer, I first started off with the Australis metallic eyeshadow and just put that on her lid. And then after that, to set down the wet eyeshadow, I used the Colourpop Super Shock Shadow in Amaze. Then I just added a bit more of that brown just to blend the two together. And then for eyeliner, I just used my Maybelline eyeliner, which I always use, and I just created a wing. And then I just put a bit of mascara on using the Too Faced Better Than Sex. Next, for her brows, I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Soft Brown. And then for lashes, I used the Model Rock lashes in the style 249, which are some of my favourites. For foundation, I used a mixture of the Marc Jacobs Remarkable, the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and the MAC Studio Fix Fluid, just to get that perfect coverage that she wanted, and also to get that perfect shade to match her fresh tan. Next, to cream contour, I used the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Deep. And then for the concealer under the eyes, I used the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer and mixed that in with the Tarte Shape Tape. And then I just blended that all out. To set the under eyes, I then went in with the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I used the banana shade and the very light shade. Then to set the rest of the face, I then went in with the MAC Studio Fix powder in C4 just to give that extra coverage. And then I went back in with the Shade and Light palette and I used the middle contour shade to contour the perimeters of her face and down her nose. And then I went in with MAC Gimme Sun Bronzer, which is my all-time favourite, just to bronze up the skin. Next for highlighter, I used the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and I just put that pretty much all over her face. To finish off the eyes, I then went back in with the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I took that transition shade and just blended that out. To make the look more smoky, I went back in with that Maybelline eyeliner and just put that in her waterline. And then to blend that black out, I went back in with that dark brown and just blended it all together. And then for the bottom lash mascara, I just went back in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex. And I also put it on her top lashes just to blend her normal lashes and the false lashes together. Then I went back in with the Glow Kit and I put that in her inner corners and on her brow bones to give it a bit of a pop. I then went in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I added this orange shade and just put that in her crease just to add some more warmth to the eye look. And then I took the dark brown shade from the palette and I added that in her outer corners just to make the eye look a bit more darker. Then to set the face, I used the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. And then for lips, I first went in with the MAC lip liner in Well, and then I went in with the Too Faced Melted Matte Lipstick in the shade Cool Girl. And that completes this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.